Hello guys, welcome to Memes Creative Club. So for today we are going to be playing with Play-Doh, a bucket, and another sweet pink bucket. And here's everything we're gonna open. So let's start by opening the buckets. I'll start with pink one. It smells great. Ooh, there's a lot of cool stuff. Let's keep it aside. And this one also comes with a lot of cool stuff. Here's a bunch of Play-Doh. Oh look, a pear mold. An extruder. Oh, another extruder. And a chili mold. Oh, we also get a knife. That looks like a sword to me. Whoa! Ooh! Well, I guess we'll make some hamburger with spaghetti. My favorite. Now we'll use 2 plates. A spoon. A very cool bright yellow spoon. I love this color. We get a roller. And we get an extruder. Woo, that's cool. And just look at the color. Red is my favorite and I love this. Play-Doh tool. What are we waiting for? Let's get started. Let's use this color to make our bun. Let's start by making a yummy bun. All you have to do is flatten it a bit and then give it the shape. That's very easy. And here's our bun. Let's make the end bun. You gotta do the same. Just shape it and here's your bun ready. And by using this white Play-Doh, you gotta add some seeds, just like I did. You can add as many as you want. And if you want to know how to make them, just take a small piece of Play-Doh, roll it, and just attach it to the bun. And then your bun is perfectly ready to make the patty. That's really easy. Just form a circle, and it's optional. If you want to look it like a really real patty, you can just add a bit of lines or dots on top. And that's what I'm doing. This step is the easiest. Let's use this Play-Doh tool to cut a square. And here it is. Perfectly ready. Tomatoes is very easy. Take a piece of red dough and just shape it in a circle. That's all. I'm using 2 tomatoes. And here they are. To make some lettuce, I'm using a piece of dough. And just shaping it like this. To build up our burger, I'll start with the bottom bun. Place tomatoes, then the patty, cheese, lettuce, and the top bun. Let's cut out some fries to go on with the hamburger. I'm cutting a rectangle and removing the extra dough. And now just cutting the fries. at them. Just like that, perfect hamburger and fries. For starting, let's check out these shapes. Let's go on with the circle one. Flatten some Play-Doh. Maybe that's a lot more. And insert in. Cut off the excess. And here it comes. Ooh, that's cool. Now let's try the star one. And here it is. Cool, this looks like frosting. Time to make spaghetti. Roll it and insert. Cut off the excess. And here it comes. Oops. Wow. Just a bit more. And here it comes. This is what our spaghetti looks like. Some meatballs. I'll just roll my Play-Doh into small balls and set it like this. And here are 3 of our meatballs. Here's our spaghetti ready with the spoon. Okay guys, well I know we use the fork, but I haven't got any fork, so I just used the spoon. Here are our both perfect dishes ready. They look so adorable. I'm getting hungry. I wanna eat them. Remember guys, not to eat Play-Doh. That could be dangerous for you. Okay guys, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Bye bye. See you soon.